What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Young and Intelligent Money Investing. And I wanted to make a quick video for you guys today, just talking about what my favorite revenue source is in the stock market. I'm here in open hour, like active hours trading again. Really been a really volatile day. Been up and been down. Up right now, but we'll see how we end up. But when we have volatility like this, what you really want to bank on in the market is having an income source in the form of dividends, because that's the one way you can get money back from the stock market that isn't totally based on your capital gains. So I want to show you guys this stock right here. It's more an ETF, not an actual stock, but it's called SPHD. It's got a share price of 42.32 right now, which really isn't that bad in the grand scheme of things when you think about how many companies this actually covers. This takes in account, it tracks dividend yield weighted index comprising the 50 least volatile names chosen from a short list of the S&P 500's 75 highest dividend yielding securities. So that basically means they take the top 75 highest dividend yielding stocks and then they take the 50 least volatile of them. And I'm going to show you guys my dividends from this right now. Every single month I've put a little more money into this, except from October and November. The dividend just increased in those. And it's been so nice seeing a few dollar boost to my portfolio. And I really plan to build on this position. Like, imagine if I make this 10 times and have 10 grand in this, I'm making $30 a month just from owning a stock. Like, that's incredible. And it pays out every month, which is kind of atypical for stocks and ETFs, which most of the time do quarterly. The one thing you will note about this is that it's got a pretty heavy REIT allocation, so you definitely want to balance that with your portfolio. I'm pretty heavy in REITs, and that's why I'm going to kind of diversify into less REIT companies in the future, like when I have more money to put into the market. But for now, SPHD is a great option, largely because of that. And look at this 5-year chart. It's up 107%, 0.07 in the last 5 years. And it's been giving out a 4% dividend yield, which is just fantastic. And then we can look at SPY over here. It's up 105%. It's beating SPY over the last 5 years, and it has double the dividend. That's insane. Hopefully that growth trajectory can continue, but even if it doesn't, with its lack of volatility, it's still a pretty big safe haven for investors when you're looking for just good, consistent dividends on a monthly basis. And another thing I like about it is that most of the time they give out a similar amount per share. It's usually about 12 cents a share-ish. Oh, these are my market buys, my mistake. I want to go to dividends. This is 13 cents a share. This is 10 cents a share. 10 cents a share. So it's pretty consistent, 10 cents a share. So it's pretty consistent on what it gives out. When stocks like SPY or DIA, they'll be 40 cents this month, $1 next month, 10 cents this month. Like it really varies, and that variation just doesn't happen with SPHD. So especially if you're gonna have a big position, maybe you're about to retire, and you want to know exactly how much money you're gonna have each month, then SPHD is a great option. I know most of us are younger, but it's still great to have that predictable position, and then build around that with more volatile names and stuff that's a little less predictable, and then you can still feel good about SPHD when you're having a bad day on your other stocks. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. Please leave a like, leave me a comment on your favorite stock. Please let me know what it is, and subscribe if you like my content. Thanks, guys.